July 24th, 1993. It's the 75th anniversary of the British Royal Air Force, and over 150,000 people partake in the festivities. Planes from all over the world join the air show celebration. But the most anticipated performers are the rarely seen Soviet MiG-29s. For years, these top-secret fighters were the centerpiece of the Soviet Air Force. Now they're on display for the world to see. And to make sure the show is truly spectacular, the Soviets put their two best test pilots behind the controls. But that's no guarantee that their performance will be flawless. The two pilots engage in a series of high-speed crossover maneuvers. But on the last one, they lose sight of each other. And a split second later, at over 300 miles per hour, disaster. The wing from one plane slices off the cockpit, inches away from the pilot inside. An instant after the two planes collide, both pilots can be seen ejecting. Moments after their feet touch the ground, the unharmed but shocked pilots take their near-death accident in stride. From this angle, it's clear that the pilot flying horizontally had no chance of seeing the other jet before it sliced his plane in two. Thanks to procedures implemented prior to the accident, no one on the ground was injured. And because of the rigorous training and lightning-fast reflexes of the Soviet military pilots, they were able to eject in the nick of time.